Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be making a video on the new black R53. I'm going to be doing some upgrades to it. First one is coming from Flag USA. I am so excited. As you know, this is one of my favorite mods. So yeah, let's open up this package and see what we got. Look at how good this is gonna look. Straight obsessed. Hey guys, welcome back. So we've had this car for about a week and yes, I am already modifying it. So my friend Mark at MMS Autosport sent me a shift knob for it, and then my friends at Flag USA have sent us a shift boot delete. So we are cleaning up this interior today. So let's get started. These are the perfect two mods to go together. Okay, so in my previous one, in my personal R53, I have the Euro shelf style for underneath the steering column, but majority of the R53s have this. So it's pretty simple, you just pull it straight down. It takes a little bit of force. I already loosened this one, and then same thing to go back in, you press it back in. Then you have the two bolts on the side. Same on the other side, you just open the glove box. This is very professional. Where's this one? So then there's two screws in the cup holders you have to undo. I don't want to break the whole thing. There we go. Boom. Then there's two more Phillips head screws under here. Then from here, we can pull these ones out. And then shift knob. That one was surprisingly easy to get off. Oh yeah, look, it's a good thing we're replacing this. There's a whole bunch of holes in here. Yikes. And that's what I hate about the boots, is they just get so dirty, and that's honestly disgusting. We've pulled this up, and I'm going to go ahead and clip the zip tie off of the shift boot. Underneath here, there's a few clips surrounding the shift boot that you can pull out. So as you can see, it's super dirty. It has several holes all over it. Some here, So, you know, perfect time to replace it, plus keeps the car cleaner because you can never really get these. So to put it in, you're going to take these screws that the shift boot delete came with out, and then you'll place it over the 4 holes that were already there and then screw them back in. I don't want to remove these 2 plugs, just more of a pain than anything, so I'm just going to hold it up and do it this way. But you're more than welcome to unplug them and have it on your lap or pull it out of the car, whatever's easiest. So now I'm going ahead and removing the screws from the shift boot delete. Now we're going to put the little delete plate on the center console piece, and then we'll start putting the screws back in. So we're gonna go ahead and put the screw and then the dust plate over the shifter in that order. Oh, I think I have this is 100% the proper way to install this YouTube, by the way. I'm filming a video. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and install the shift knob from MMS, which is super pretty, and it actually has a really nice grip to it. Mark suggests that if you need to, you can go ahead and sand the little rod piece to fit this on. I'm just gonna push it on and twist it a little bit, but in case if you're worried about it coming back off, feel free to sand it. Alrighty, so it was pretty simple. It just took a little bit of pressure. If it feels too hard, it probably is, so just go ahead and sand the little plastic down. But for us, it really wasn't at all. It just took a slight bit of pressure to get it down, but I'm honestly obsessed. I like this a lot better than the round shift knobs in these cars. It's much more comfortable, and it gives it a little more height, which is nice. You know, quicker to your steering wheel, because everything's a race car. So just a huge thank you to MMS and Black Flag USA for helping me clean up the interior of this car. I'm honestly obsessed. I will link them both below, and you know, probably throw in a pop tag here or there, something like that, maybe here, maybe there. You never know. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys like it. I love how the shift knob feels, and I absolutely adore how clean the interior feels with the shift boot delete. And if you guys need any help, feel free to ask me or Black Flag or MMS. We are all happy to help you. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. My face. Okay. I hope you're recording all of this. Okay. Are you ready?
Still recording.
Go ahead and put the screw and the dust plate over the Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put the spring and then the dust cover over the shifter.